I love 5-gallon buckets, but they have several critical design flaws. While the buckets themselves are sturdy, easy to clean, and stackable, the bucket handles are poorly designed and prone to cracking and breaking. They also cut into your hand when you lift a full bucket because they are too thin. The handles are typically made out of a cheap plastic that hasn't been UV treated and will become brittle in the sun. I've come up with an easy solution that not only fixes these issues, but also provides some extra benefits. I think you'll really like it. I use a ton of 5-gallon buckets for gathering vegetables, picking weeds, hauling dirt, home food storage, as water reservoirs, and for storing my chicken feed to keep it safe from rodents. By the way, I'm Tim, an electrical engineer who applies engineering principles to gardening. If you enjoy learning about how science and engineering can be applied to gardening, please subscribe. Okay, let me show you my solution. I've designed an ergonomic 5-gallon bucket handle that can be 3D printed. The handle is large and easy to grip. I'm using PETG to print it, so it won't get brittle from UV rays and won't become soft in the sun. The installation is simple. The handle wire doesn't need to be removed. The new handle can be directly bolted around the wire. Okay, let's try it out with this bucket filled with green tomatoes. Feels great. So much better than this old handle that cut into my hands. As an added benefit, you can print these in different colors and easily color code your buckets, rather than having to find and read labels on each bucket. With color coding, I can quickly identify the right bucket in my food storage. For example, yellow handles are wheat and orange handles are red lentils. If you'd like to try out these bucket handles, I put a link to the 3D printable file down below in the comments. If you don't have a 3D printer, not a problem. Contact me in the link below, and if you pay for shipping, I'll send you one while supplies last. If you made it this far in the video, I guarantee that you'll like my other videos, and you might as well subscribe. Also, check out vegetronics.com for cool gardening gadgets and automation ideas. Thanks for watching.